Are you new to content creation and struggling with video editing? Today, I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the easy steps to start editing your video using CapCut on your mobile phone. And this is absolutely free for everyone. I'm Janet Solomon, if this is your first time here. And to my existing viewers, thank you so much. Make sure to watch to the end for valuable tips. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share with your friends and family. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Step 1. Open up your CapCut. Click on New Project. Select your project, all the videos you want to edit into one clip. Select all of them and click on Add. Why haven't you opened up your YouTube channel yet? Step 2. Now this is the amazing CapCut interface with excellent drag and drop features. And the first thing you will be doing is to select the aspect ratio to suit the platform you want to use your video for. So make sure your video is not selected. Scroll to the right, click on aspect ratio and choose the one that suits the platform you want to upload your video to. In my case, I'm going with 16:9 because my video is for YouTube. Click on this to check it. Okay, now let me guess. Your excuses are you don't have what to talk about, right? Step 3. The next thing is to trim your videos to cut away the unwanted parts. Now start playing your videos to figure out where you made a mistake or where there is error. Once you found the error, expand the video to see each frame very well. Click on the video, click on split, move a bit forward and click on split again, then delete the middle part, which is the error you don't want. Or let's do another thing. After splitting, I'm going to undo this now. After splitting your video, drag this forward or split it here and move it backward to cut away your error. Both are still doing the same thing. Now do this for all your clips, and once you are done, export your video. The truth is, everyone has something to say, and right inside of you there is a potential gift God has deposited in you that someone out there is looking for, and you need to bring it out. Step 4. Now go back and import your video again, and you can see that we've now merged all the clips into one project for easy editing. Oh, you don't have what it takes to start? Start with what you have and grow with it. Step 5. It's now time to remove background. You don't have to. If your background is not nice, you can remove it. Click on this plus sign, click on photo and pick your background. Make sure you've downloaded your background already. Click on add. Now click on your video, add it as an overlay. Now click on your video, scroll to the right, click on remove BG, select auto remover and wait for your background to be removed. Once your background is removed, for some people, this background is good to go for them. You can go ahead and export it. But in my case, I always like to blur my background a little bit. This step is optional, you don't have to. But if you want to learn how to blur your video background, I'm going to teach you now. So click on Effect. Your video must not be selected. Video Effect. Search here for Blur Effect. Click on this Blur Effect. Click on Cancel. Click on this to check it. To adjust the intensity of this blur effect, click on the blur. Click on Adjust. Now adjust to suit your desire. Once you are done, export your video again. Please note that the only reason we've exported twice is so that our workstation will not be clumsy, to save you from mistakes and to also have one clip to edit, because we are going to be doing color adjustment and we don't want to be adjusting the background and still be adjusting video. We want to adjust everything at once. So the moment you are familiar with these two, all these steps is going to be easier and faster for you. Now import the project again. I've made a video on 10 important things to help you get started with your YouTube channel. The link is above here, you can watch it. Moving on to step 6, color correction and color grading. Now, color correction or color grading is important because it helps to increase the quality of your video. And a quality video will definitely attract people to watch the content of your video. But I'm going to run you through it quickly. Scroll to the right, click on adjust, increase the brightness a bit. So the shooting of your video might be different from my own, so make sure you adjust it according to your video. Increase the brilliance a bit according to your video. Increase the sharpness a bit. Now reduce the shadow to remove all the shadows in your video. The next thing you want to do is to scroll to the right, click on HSL. Now this one is very important because whatever you adjust under HSL is going to affect the color you picked. So anything you adjust under HSL is only going to affect any color you picked. Like the one we've done in the past, the shadows, the sharpness is going to affect all the videos. But under HSL, anything you adjust, any color you pick and you adjust is only going to affect that color. If you choose pink and you increase or reduce the pink, only the pink is going to be affected. So take note of that. So I will go ahead now and adjust the color according to my preference. My adjustment might not work for you, so make sure to do yours according to your video and colors. You can also use this graph to adjust your colors too. Now let me tell you something. Everything we've adjusted now, we can save it as a preset so that when you are editing next time, you don't have to go through all this stress of editing from the beginning again. Once you save it as preset, you will just come back here, select it, add it to your video and do a little adjustment. So to do that, click on preset, save preset and wait for it to be saved. And the next thing we want to do is to adjust your skin, your makeup, and make sure you are looking good. And to do that, make sure your video is selected, scroll to the right and click on retouch. Click on face and you can now start adjusting anything that needs to be adjusted. To change your skin tone, click on skin tone and you can select any skin tone you want, but for me I like my skin tone like that. So you click on smooth. If there's pimples on your face, this tool will help you to eliminate all the spots. Click on smile lines to reduce the wrinkles on your face. So you can just adjust it. You can whiten your teeth by clicking on this white teeth. Just adjust it to suit your desire. If you click on reshape, if you want to reshape your jaw, your cheekbone, if you want to do your makeup, everything is just there. So just do it according to your face and according to your skin tone. And once you are done, click on apply to all and it's going to be applied to all the clips you have. And if you want to adjust anything in your body, you can as well click on body right here and you do all your adjustments. You see, that video you don't want to post might be the one to blow up your channel and make you go viral. So my dear, post it. Moving on to step 7, which is effects and transition. Transitions and effects are very important. Transition helps to connect scenes to make video easier to watch and understand, while video effects on the other hand also make video more engaging. Instead of having like a one full video and it's boring, transiting and adding effects can make your video engaging. While you are adding your transition and effect, you want to add, but please do not overdo it. For example, let's assume I want to add a transition to this video at this part where I'm moving from one point. Probably when I'm saying step 1, step 2, I want to move from step 1 to step 2. If I want to add transition between those two places, what you are going to do is, since we've joined the video already, click on the end of step 1, split it. Now click this middle and pick any transition you want. If you've watched my video this far, please do me a favor by subscribing and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Adjust it and that is it. And to add video effect helps to emphasize a point. Imagine when I want to say come closer. That come closer, I want to zoom in so that I can come out a bit. Since I'm saying come closer, so you zoom yourself in. To do that, click on effect, video effect, search for zoom effects, or you want to scroll right and click on lens, click on zoom and add it. Click on it again to adjust the speed and range of that zoom effect. Make sure you don't overdo the effect or the transition. Oh, Another excuse might be, who will watch my videos? I don't have friends to watch my videos. My darling, your audience are waiting for you. Upload it, don't wait for your friends. Moving on to step 8, overlay footage. This is used when you are explaining something and you need to show the example either with videos or pictures for clarity's sake. So you want to click on overlay, overlay again, and add your overlay footage to that point or part where it is needed. For me, I want to add this subscribe button and it has a green background. So you want to scroll to the right to remove the green. Click on remove BJ, click on chroma key and you select on this color, click on intensity and you drag it backward. So the green is going to go out of your footage. Increase the shadow to take away any shadow and then you start adjusting your overlay clip. For me, I will just leave my subscribe button to the side like this. Then you adjust it according to what you want. And after your adjustments, you want to click on your clip if it's a video and you click on volume, scroll to the right and you click on volume, then reduce the volume so that the volume will not be disturbing your main audio. Number 9, do you know that you can also add animations to your videos? Not only transitions or effects you can also add animation to your videos to make them nice. So to add this animation, you can add it to both the overlay footage or the main clip. To do that, click on the clip you want to animate, click on animation, choose the animation you like, add it to your video and adjust the speed. Number 10, sound effects. After all this, let's add some sound to the transition, animations and the video effects we've added. Sound effects add realism and emphasize action and enhance the overall impact of the video. So click on audio, sound effects. Now search for the kind of sound you like, maybe like drop, ding, boom, whoosh, or anything, any effects you like, and add it to your animation to those points where you add transitions and animation. Now click on them, reduce the volume, and that is it. Number 11, adding text and caption. Caption is good because it helps to translate what you are saying into any language of your choice. How do we do this? Click on text, auto caption, select the language you want to translate to, click on generate and wait for it to be generated. Once it's done, start adjusting to correct any spelling errors. Number 12, adding of background music. A good background music is important because it sets the mood, enhances emotions, and keep your viewers engaged while they are watching your video. So to do that, click on audio, click on sounds. If you want to extract audio from video, click here, select the video, add, click on add, and the audio is now going to be extracted from that video you selected. Make sure you are using a free sound because of copyright sake. Use a free sound. Click on this plus sign to add it to your project. Now click on the music you just added, reduce the volume, scroll to the right and reduce the volume. And if you want to add audio from your device, click on sound again, click on device, select from device, choose your audio and then add it to your project. Reduce the volume. And number 13, the next thing you want to do is to remove the background noise in your video or in your audio and adjust your voice. To enhance your voice a bit. And to do that, you want to click on your video like this and you scroll to the right. And right here you can see reduce noise. So you click on reduce noise and you open it like this. And the next thing you want to do is after reducing the noise, click on it again and you scroll to the right. Right here you can see enhance voice. And you click on enhance voice and you open this. So it's going to enhance your voice and make your voice to sound very clear and nice. Lastly, to the final part. Play your video to check if everything is okay. And once you are satisfied, then it's time to create your video thumbnail right here in CapCut if your video is for YouTube, before you finally export your video and your thumbnail together, so you don't have to go to external sites to go and do your thumbnail. So in the next part of this video, I will show you how to do that. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful and if you've learned something really important from this video. Bye for now, and I will see you soon.